Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Tradingview lagging problems. So whenever your Tradingview is lagging, it's the issue of your browser and your laptop or PC. So make sure you just use any good browser. So right now I'm using Brave browser. So if there is too many tabs open here in your browser, just make sure you close each and every browser and use only Tradingview. Make sure that the only browser or the only tab is open right now. And if there's too many things open in your tab, just close each and everything and use what is important for you. The other thing is that make sure if your PC or laptop is not that much capable to handle, if your PC or laptop doesn't have too much RAM or dedicated RAM, make sure you close any other softwares or application which is running in the background. Make sure there's only one browser which is acting up in which you are using your trading view, right? And if the trading view is not working properly in one of the browser, you can change your browser. For right now I'm using Brave. I can just move to Google Chrome here and I can use it there. So these are the uses where you can fix it up, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.